And you know, I'm having one of those days where I just feel like, oh, I am not cute. We all know about those days, and there's no rhyme or reason to any of it. It just happens. You know, my hair's kind of flat. Let me point out all my flaws while we're on here.
I'm calling, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. All mine, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies, and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Be with, yeah, no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby. Come on. To my thick chicks down in Texas, all the way to New Orleans, where the girls cook catfish. And in LA, every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses. To Detroit, yeah, the place that I rest, where the ladies got asses and la sex. And hot Atlanta, y'all, is one of the best, where they speak southern slang and smoke la cess. And New York women are way too fresh. Too much on your mind, let me ease that stress. I wish you all were mine, it's so selfish. Maybe I'm feeling myself too much, I guess. But to my ladies all across the globe, in small towns that I don't even know, to all local international codes, whether you see me in the street.
Hey, welcome back. Okay, today I wanted to show you a new product that I've used quite a few times, and I've been very, very happy with it. As you know, I've mentioned before, I do like to wear lashes in a lot of my videos, especially the try-ons. It just gives you that much more of a glamorous appearance. If you've ever been on camera or taken video of yourself, you know, you kind of look washed out. You're missing some color, your features are a little kind of disappeared. Like, I like to add a ton of blush when I come on camera. So lashes really help bring out your eyes, and they do make you look much more youthful. I think in one of my videos I mentioned how when you're younger you have those fluffy, fluttery, beautiful eyelashes, and as you get older, just like everything else, those start to disappear. Eyebrows are gone. Thankfully I've got some hair, but I know that for many women that's a problem as well. So today I'm going to talk about the Arishine Magnetic Eyeliner and Eyelash Kit. I know, magnetic. I remember a couple years ago the magnetics came out and they were not good. They were like magnetic on top of magnetic, and I couldn't get them to work. I think I got one on after 20 minutes and said, the hell with it. But what these do, and these are available on Amazon, I will of course link it below, but what these do is they come with, get this awesome tray. I'll show it to you. I've been using them, so I actually lost one on Halloween. We had a good time on Halloween. Just around the house, you know, neighborhood wise and whatever, but so you're gonna laugh if you see my missing Halloween lash. But they come in all different sizes and different densities. You don't always want the big dramatic fanned out ones. Sometimes you want the more natural, just a little enhanced. You get 2 tubes of eyeliner, and what's inside the eyeliner is the metal. Now, I'll tell you this, it does smell like metal, which I'm like, am I imagining this? No, it does. There are little particles, I'm assuming, of metal in there of some sort, but I can tell you, don't be nervous, because I did get some of the eyeliner like directly into my eyeball. I went a little heavy-handed with it. I'm going to talk about that as I give you the demonstration. And I was completely fine. My eyes didn't turn red or anything like that. I have the window cracked open because it does get hot in here, and someone's removing like a dumpster or something, so that's the noise you hear. If you hear it, maybe I'll put some music and you won't hear it. So first thing I do, well, let me start with the very first time I used them. I used this eyeliner entirely as my eyeliner for that day. Don't recommend doing that. So second time I did it, I put my regular eyeliner on, and then I just put this over the top for the metallic portion of it for the eyelashes to stick. So the other thing is, when as I said, I got some in my eye. It's like skin tight. You gotta pull, 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 boom. It's real suctiony when you pull this out. So I kind of wave it around, even like use the lid to dab it. You know, you want enough, but if you get too much, it's liquidy. It's not as stiff and nice as the normal eyeliner that you use. So you just want to go easy and not have it dripping down your eyeball. So I've already done my usual little, not cat eye, but my little like sort of tiny little wing that I do, and I've demonstrated this just recently in my makeup video. But I'm gonna go across the entire line of where my natural lashes are with it right over the top of the eyeliner that I already have on. And all I'm doing, and if you keep this in mind, that all you're doing, and I smell that metal, is really applying metal to your eye, or in this case an adhesion for the lash. Then you won't feel like you're doing anything wrong or glopping it on. So I like to try and get it to dry a bit. Other nice thing this kit comes with are these little tweezers. And let me see, which one should I use? I'm gonna go in on the thicker side. These here are the third down, just beneath the Halloween lashes. And see how we like these. So I use these just to get it. Now people do use these to put them on. We can try it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pull it off, but let's try. Sit it right on your lash where you've applied. I like to use my fingers. Where you've applied that line of the eyeliner that it comes with. Then I can use the back of this, it's curved, just to kind of press it on. It's not like you're pressing it on into glue, but you know, these are synthetic lashes and you want to make them pliable so that they curve to your natural eye. And look at that. Done. I'm gonna come in, give me a second here. Come in so you can see. What do you think? I think these are beautiful, and what I like the most is how easy they are to put on. Can I tell you? For example, go back to my dollar store video. I bought a pair of dollar store lashes and, you know, they were fine. As I mentioned, did not see anything wrong with them. They weren't any different than the Ardells that I had gotten at Walgreens or even the hair store. I have a little card for the hair store. My dad was a barber. He's still a licensed barber, so I made him get me a card for that store. But yeah, so no different. Oh, back to the dollar store. I get distracted. Here I go. Had those dollar store lashes on and they were fantastic. However, I fumbled with them just like I do any other lash. So it was never going to be something I would do on camera. So all the talking that I'm doing, let's go in and do the other eye. Now remember, oh, I wish I would have shown you that. When I pulled that out, you could see it's dripping down the side. This is super runny. So this is my advice to you as someone who has used this about 4 or 5 times. Definitely wipe off, just like you do nail polish, on the container so that it's not super, super drippy. All right, so doing the same thing on this side, just going over where my natural lashes are, very, very tight to where they come out. Okay, very, very tight to the lash line, but making sure to cover the entire lash line, okay? And then we're gonna let that dry a bit. So easy, so pretty. And you know, I'm having one of those days where I just feel like, oh, I am not cute. We all know about those days, and there's no rhyme or reason to any of it. It just happens. You know, my hair's kind of flat. Let me point out all my flaws while we're on here. My hair's kind of flat. This lipstick color, I don't know. I have some flaking on my skin. You know, my lovely melasma mustache, well, I've been hitting it hard with the Retin-A, and it's flaking. So I feel like my skin looks dry and dull. What else? I'm not certain this color is very flattering. You know, one of those days. But we're gonna do this and we're gonna feel better. Okay, so coming in again, I think I tried to do this with a tweezer, but I'm probably gonna end up using my finger right over the top. Oh, it wants to stick immediately. Love it. And then I use this little, looks like a whale tail. on the end of the tweezer just to press it, because again, these are synthetic lashes and that band, you know, doesn't always want to curve to your eye. But I did it. How about that? There is nothing easier, I'm not kidding you, lash-wise, than these. I don't consider myself really good at it, but let me bring you in a little closer. Look how easy, you just saw me do it. It is absolutely amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoy bringing you different beauty tips that I use, especially when I find things or hacks that really have helped me along the way. So as I mentioned before, I've tried lashes many times, and many times, ladies, if you're like me, I was like, I'm definitely wearing lashes tonight. I get them all out, I get them ready, I get the glue on them, I'm doing all the things, and they just won't go on properly. Or you get one on, then you try the other one, and it's a little cockeyed, and I'm going, what? Then you end up taking them both off entirely, or you can't even get one on, you rip the other one off, and your eyelashes are kind of matted, your natural ones, and then you're like, why did I even bother? So I think you're gonna love these. Again, the brand is Arishine. I will link it below, right on Amazon. You get all of these, and I'm not sure if I mentioned this, you get all of these choices, plus they're reusable. So when you take them off, just clean the back of them a little bit, put them right back in this nice convenient tray. And I, again, tried these like 5 or 6 times. I never want to show you something that I'm not super familiar with. You saw me do it on camera. I won't do anything on camera that I'm not comfortable with. And hopefully you'll try them and like them. Please let me know in the comments down below if you tried them and what you thought. You know, we don't all have the same experience. If you have any questions, please ask. And I would appreciate it if you did enjoy this video to like it. Hit the bell for notifications so that you're notified each and every time I upload a video. And please subscribe to my channel as well. Hope you're all having a great weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.